In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add currency symbols to your charts here in Google Sheets. So adding currency formatting to your data makes it clear that values represent money, helping prevent confusion. It also makes spreadsheets and charts easier to read. So here, it's best to store values as numbers and apply currency formatting so that charts are represented correctly. And in this example, we're going to do the same thing. As you can see, I have my example data right here. I have the date, the product, and the price. So our chart basically represents the price trend for coffee beans. And you'll see that it has rapidly risen since the start of this year. So right now, we do see our dates at the bottom. And on the left side, we have the prices. Now, to just make it clear that these are the prices, I want to add some currency to these values. And the way to do that would actually depend on the original data where this chart is based on. So what I'm simply going to do would be to go back to the original data on the left side, go to the price column right here, select that entire range, and just go to the toolbar where we have Format as Currency. Depending on what type of currency you want to use, if you want to use the dollar sign, you can simply click on this one right here. And there we have it. If you want to remove some decimal places, you can just click on this one, and there we have it. But if you want to use a different currency, maybe a euro, you can simply go to Format here in the menu bar, go to Number, and select Custom Currency almost at the bottom. So we have Custom Currency, Custom Date and Time, and Custom Number Format. Here, I'm going to select Custom Currency. There we go. If I wanted to use the euro, here we have it. I'm just going to click on it, then Apply, and here we have it. Again, a different currency has been applied on our data, which is also applied to our chart. So whatever currency is applied on our original data, that will be the same currency symbol added to your charts. So again, if I want to remove some decimal places, I can just click on this one right here, and there you go. That's how you can add currency symbols to your charts here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.